So here we have one wedging device. Place board in there, put a wedge of any kind in there, just enough to hold it. I have got another wedging device that shall go in there. Pick up your plane, and take shavings. Nice shavings. Right. Okay, let's look at this. Let's give me a straight line down here, roughly middle. dear me, I think I'm cracking up. Oh God. How to make them is on my YouTube channel, dead easy. We'll put this in here. This will become the wedge, which I could smooth down. I might do that, but not just at the moment. So how this works, mount it, push it in, put this in, give a little tap. That now holds it, and I'm now able to plane. With it without the board falling over. So here we go. One wedging system in order to put a board in on my Roubo bench and then lock it into place with that wedge style there. I've got the wedge gluing up at the moment, it just fell apart, so but it's only because it's the grain. I've now laminated it with some plywood, which will make it nice and strong, and also it will be above this, so it'll be easy to knock in and knock out. So very simple construction out of waste wood, as you can see. Two dogs there to go in my dog holes apart, so works quite well. I should enjoy using that because sometimes it's not convenient to put it in the vise. Sometimes you need a slightly longer length, and I haven't got any dog holes down my legs or a board on the front that I can actually put it onto. So yeah, quite good, quite pleased with that. One wedging device for my Roubo bench. Thank you.